All right, rock stars, how's everybody doing? Welcome back. Today what we're going to do is we're going to place an event on Facebook. This is something you want to be doing at least once or twice a week, a minimum once a week, possibly twice a week. You want to invite people to the presentation to CI2G. And this is really simple to do. I got some notes here. Just let me pull them up here real quick so you guys can see. Let me look at the other notes. They're a little bit bigger so you guys can read. And this is just an example. You can actually use this exact example if you want to create your own advertisement. I'm going to put down I2G is creating millionaires in months. See it live tonight. I2G is creating millionaires in months. Oh, this is going to be the title, I think. Then this is going to be the actual article. That's right. I'm not going to read all this, but you guys can see it. And that's just an example of what I'm going to post as far as at the event on Facebook, and I'm going to invite all my friends from Facebook, all of them, to come out and see this. Do this once a week. This is very powerful, guys. This is free advertising, and this is definitely powerful. People pay attention to what's going on Facebook. If you send someone a message on Facebook, do you know what the open rate is? Do you know what the open rate is on Facebook? I don't know, probably about 100% versus 10 or 15 or 20% if you really know what you're doing in your emails and you have a good relationship with your list. Okay, let's go back over to Facebook. You're just going to click on home. You're going to go over here on this menu. You're going to find events, which is right here. Find events. Go ahead and click on that. And you just want to create an event. Okay, I can't remember what it's going to ask you first. All right, I'm going to name my event. I'm just going to copy and paste. So I'm going to Control C, come back over here, Control Victor, details. I think that's where I'm going to put the body. I believe that's right. Let me put all this information in here. Control C, Control Victor. All right, there's my details. Now I want to do my event on Sunday. I'm going to do mine on Sunday the 23rd, and I'm going to do it at, I'm going to put the time in here. How do you do this? Okay, just start typing. It'll pull it up for you. I want to go 10 p.m. Let's see. Oh, hang on. 10 p.m. Okay, and I want to invite privacy. Guests can invite friends. Yes. Privacy. I want this to be public. I want this to be a public event. You want everyone to be able to see this. Okay. And then I'm going to hit create. All right. See right here, add event photo. You definitely want to add an event photo. So I'm going to hit add photo. I'm going to choose. I can upload the photo or choose from my photos. I think I've already got some photos that I've got in here that I would use. Yeah, I'm going to use this one right here. This is powerful. Jason Sim holding his check. Very powerful. Okay, and you can reposition this photo by just dragging it. So what I'm going to do is, that's pretty good because I want them to see the amount. Save changes. All right, now there's my event. How easy is that, guys? And this is a powerful event. I'm really telling them a little bit about just the information. I'm teasing them. You know, one of our partners went from bankruptcy to 238K in 56 days. There are hundreds of success stories. We barely have 9,000 people in the company. I'm not explaining nothing. I'm just telling them just a little bit of information. And then what I got to do is I put a link in here. Let me show you what I'm doing. I'm having them go to my presentation page. This is what you probably want to do too. Have them go to your presentation page, okay? So they can see this live. Okay, now let's go back to the event because what we want to do now is we created the event, but now we got to invite people because the only people I got invited is myself. Now make sure you guys are using Firefox, okay? If you're not using Firefox, use Firefox. Go over to Google, type in Firefox, and this is not going to be a Firefox video. If you guys want to learn how to set up Firefox, go to YouTube and type it in because I'm not making a video about this. Just type in Firefox. I probably got a video about this on my YouTube channel. And then you just free download. Just download it. You want to use Firefox. Now, let's invite my friends. Now, in this particular account, I got like 25 or 2,600 or 2,700 friends. I'm going to invite them all. I'm going to invite all of them. Now, how do you do that? Okay, there's all my friends. What you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, to the very, very bottom of this page, okay, to load them all. Now, for time purposes, I don't think I'm going to do that because otherwise we got to sit here and wait a while for this video, and I'm not going to do that. But you would scroll all the way down to the bottom. That way all your friends are loaded up into this window, okay? All your friends are loaded up into this window. Just keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. It might take a couple minutes. Let them all load. Now, instead of clicking each and every single one of these individual profiles to invite these people, we want to invite all these people at once, okay? We want to invite all these people at once. How do we do that? I'm going to give you a code. I'll put it below this video. This JavaScript code. I'll give you this. I'm going to copy that because this is going to do it for us. It's going to automate it. I want you to go up here to Tools. This is only going to work if you're using Firefox. Or wait a minute. Is it Tools or Help? I can't remember. Hang on. Hang on. My computer's being slow because we're loading all this stuff. I want you to click on Tools, Web Developer, Scratchpad. Scratchpad right there. Click on that. Okay, you see that box that's blinking? I want you to paste that code that I give you in there. Control V, Control Victor. Paste. Now you're just going to hit run. Okay? And just leave it alone. It's going to take a few minutes to do this. And what it's going to do is it's going to check every single one of these boxes for you. Let's see if I can reduce that, minimize that. It's going to check every single one of these boxes. See, I just did it. It's going to check every one of those boxes for you. It just checked all my friends for me, right? So now all I got to do is hit send, and it's going to send an invite, and it's going to invite all these people at one time to come to my live event. I'm going to hit the send button. Okay, just give it a second to load. All right, it's done, guys. Now, for time purpose, I only invited, looks like I invited only 50 people, but, you know, I would actually load up that whole window, you know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't get everybody, my friends. So let's do that one more time. Let's just hit invite friends. Because what it'll do is it'll pull up all the friends that I didn't invite yet. Actually, it might pull up everybody again. Just scroll down, just keep scrolling down. And this might take a while, you know, to get all these people loaded up and everything. But the cool thing about this is you don't have to sit here and click on every single profile. It'll take you forever to do this, right? Okay, there's a bunch. There's a bunch more. And of course, they're still loading. Because I got a lot of friends on this particular account, this Facebook account. This is a good way to get all your friends to come check out I2G. They're going to get an invite. They can come see it live. You pick the night that you want to do this. You can even come into the Hangout live and be there, which you definitely want to do. You guys need to start stepping forward and coming into that Hangout, 3 or 4 of you each night, so that you guys can just step forward at the end, just for like 60 seconds or whatever, and just tell people why you're excited about I2G. Okay. All right, I'm going to go back over here to Tools again. I'm going to click on Web Developer, Scratchpad, Control Victor, put that JavaScript code in there. I'm going to hit Run. That's it. It's done. It might take a couple minutes. It'll check all those boxes for you. Just let your computer, just let it take its time. It might take a few minutes. If you got a large account, you know, you got thousands of friends. It's going to take a few minutes, guys, for this to work, okay? So don't think it's not working. It is working. It might take a few minutes, okay? And then once it checks all those boxes, you just hit send. That's it, guys. It's as simple as that. This is how you do this with Firefox. Okay, it just clicked all the clicked everybody, so I'm going to hit send again. Give it a moment. It'll send those invites to all those people. And I didn't get all my friends with that swipe. I just, you know, I'm doing this fast for time purposes for the video. Okay, it might ask you a CAPTCHA. No big deal. Let's type that in there. Well, I tell you what, they really have to make this difficult, huh, to see? To figure out? I guess that's right. All right, that's it, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you set up an event. That's how you invite all your friends on Facebook at one time, one shot, one deal. And there you go. I just invited 1,094 people. How cool is that? That's powerful, right? All right, guys. I'll put that code below the video. See you guys in the next training. Take care. God bless everybody. Thank you.